Hey guys, welcome to Sam 610. So in this video, believe it or not, I want to talk to you guys about hand sanitizer and the weird craze that's going around because of the flu and of course, as you guys already know, the coronavirus. Because of the reported cases, everybody is just going crazy between the flu and between corona. Everybody is just going out and getting hand sanitizer left and right, guys. I'm telling you, it's crazy. So for instance, where I work in an office type setting where hand sanitizer is always accessible for me to get all the time. So I ran in hand sanitizer and we actually had to hide it on our floor into a different location because people are actually coming down from different floors in our building and they're actually taking the hand sanitizer. Guys, this is crazy. This is how bad it is where I work. And on top of all of that, with our vendor, they had said that they are on a 6-month back order for hand sanitizer. So anybody that wants hand sanitizer needs to wait about 6 months, unfortunately. So me being who I am, I got curious and I went online and I found a 2-ounce container of Purell hand sanitizer going for $19.99. Guys, that's insane. And I also found a 2-pack refill kit that is going for I think it was like $89. Guys, that is absolutely insane for a 2-pack refill kit. It wasn't Purell. This was a different off-brand, I believe, or something like that. It was something that went through eBay that was sponsored. Alright, guys, so on top of all of that, I was talking to my brother about that, my brother Bill, who's actually a subscriber of this channel. So hopefully, Bill, this video is not boring you. By the way, Bill, if you're watching, please give me a like. That's going to tell YouTube to do what it needs to do and send me through this algorithm and hopefully get me more subscribers, get me more views, and get me more watch time and yada 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 yada. Well, anyway, if you guys are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification bell to be updated on any of my upcoming videos. So, with talking with my brother Bill, I was saying that, about this whole hand sanitizer scare that's going around, besides people spending a fortune, what can you actually do? And he had shot me a text message and said that because Purell and all these hand sanitizers are sold out everywhere, that you can actually make this at home yourself. So I'm going to include a link to a website that my brother Bill actually had sent to me, and this will help you guys make hand sanitizer homemade. And from what I understand, I didn't actually look at this. I wanted to shoot this video, edit it, and get this uploaded for you guys to share this information with you. Basically, what he had told me is that you can make hand sanitizer with aloe and alcohol. So when I'm done with this video, I'm actually going to click on the link and I'm actually going to read it. And hopefully this gives you guys some value. But I wanted to share this craze with everybody because if you want to get hand sanitizer, guys, and you want to buy it online, it's going to cost you a small fortune. So hopefully you guys found some value in this video. Again, a link to that homemade recipe will be in the link of the description of this video. So if you found any value of this video, guys, please give me a like. And as always, guys, later.